In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a symbol into a Google Sheets chart on your desktop. This is a handy skill to have when you're looking to make your data presentations more visually engaging or need specific symbols to convey accurate information. So let's dive right in and simplify this process. First things first, open up your Google Sheet where your desired chart is located. Once you have the Google Sheet open, navigate to the chart you want to modify. Simply click on the chart to select it. This is your starting point for the customization we're about to make. Now, look closely at the chart's corner and you'll see three little dots. These dots are your gateway to editing. Click on them and choose Edit Chart from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will bring up the Chart Editor, a powerful tool for tweaking and perfecting your chart to suit your needs. In the Chart Editor, you'll find two tabs, Setup and Customize. Go ahead and click on the Customize tab. This tab is where all the magic happens in terms of tailored changes you can make to your chart. Within the Customize tab, locate the Chart and Axis Titles section and open it. This is where you get the opportunity to alter any of the text that accompanies your chart, including those all-important titles and labels that can often benefit from the addition of symbols for clarification or emphasis. Here's where your choices come into play. You'll need to select the title you want to edit. You have a couple of options here, such as the chart title itself, or even the vertical axis title, depending on where you need your symbol to appear. Click on your chosen title to start editing. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a text box. In this text box, you can directly type any symbol that you need, such as a degree sign, a percentage, an arrow, or any other Unicode character. If you're unfamiliar with Unicode characters, they're essentially a standardized collection of symbols and can be incredibly useful. In case you're looking for a more complex symbol and it's not readily available on your keyboard, you can open up another tab in your browser. Here, use the Google Docs option, Insert. Special characters to explore a wide array of symbols. Once you find the symbol you want, simply copy it. Switch back to your chart, and in the text box for your chart title or axis title, paste your copied symbol. And just like that, your chart title or vertical axis now features your chosen symbol, providing better context or style to your data presentation. And that's it. That's how you insert a symbol into a Google Sheets chart on your desktop. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and now you can give your charts that extra touch with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!